All right. Here I only mark these zones because we are on Volt. Remember on Volt, we can't go far back. It only gives us this. So I picked, I went to 3245 to get exactly where the order block starts and where the order block closes. So hence you see these horizontal lines only. Do you understand that now?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this here was just for liquidity. This low here was pushed just to fuel the liquidity, and then all those who bought here, they left those tons of liquidity below it. Hence, we have this move on the right hand side that broke the very same zone. So remember that break of market structure is this candle here and not this week here. That by now you know
You already know.
I don't even
Yes,
have
sir.
to explain that. Gosh, that thing moved 12,873.88. Okay, 12,873.88. Yeah, this. Then let's put it here. For the mere fact that we had a break of market structure, we had liquidity sweep on a bearish direction on D1. I don't know what's happening with my voice. So please, like that. Just leave it here.
So where the cursor is that a double bottom? Well, it doesn't really look after the liquidity sweep and break of structure there.
No, it is not.
It is not.
It is not. I saw it, but no.
It looks like it's not.
Yeah, it looks like. Remember,
second candle is a little shorter.
We're talking about money here, so we can't be having something like. So on D1, this is what we have, and then this break of market structure comes from this high here. Remember on the previous markup, the previous markup about this from Wednesday.
Yeah.
The video chat that's a go to Telegram if you can and see.
There is something like where you are talking. That was one of the lessons that was indicating that double break of structure to confirm change of direction, change of character, to confirm the direction in which you're moving now. Yeah.
It was indicating
what? There was a point you were giving us that if you have at least one or two break of structures, especially for major, in a particular direction, it's confirmation. Giving the point right. I remember this area where you are was a little tricky to me, but I kept watching it over and over and trying to figure out, because there was a structure.
Yeah. Okay, I was responding to the other guy on the other side. Said it.
Somebody's writing in class, sir.
Yeah, I responded to him. I already did respond to him. So okay. Now this is daily, and then on H4, then the liquidity was grabbed in a bearish direction, and then on H4, and then on H4, it looks like we have a double top. Let's just confirm it. Surely we have a double top on H, or a double bottom, I mean. I just said top. the double bottom. So this will only go to this will only sit on H4 on daily, and now we are on.
Yes, Joshua. You want to clean? Yeah. I want you to help me mop. Yeah. No, you do that after my class, please. Then yes, you can just mop here and inside. Thank you.
Yeah, he will help you to clean. Don't worry. So,
No, he came to check to see if he could do the suction for the carpet, for the, yeah, but he will make noise for us now.
Yeah, all right.
If he's mopping, it's quiet.
Remember this strong resistance zone that we spoke about from Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Again, yesterday it did the very same thing.
Good. This is that move it made.
Yeah.
This is that move it made. Went back there and then came back down.
Exactly. It did the very same thing. So where it started, we have a low, a high, and then a lower low here, and then this low was already inside the bullish order block, but it was just a week. So now, in order for us to confirm that NASDAQ will go a little bit deeper than this low, this had to happen. This had to happen. So this high will push NASDAQ far lower than this. Yeah. Okay, it says I'm connecting to audio here. Can you hear me? Something. I think something is wrong. My Zoom is telling me that I'm connecting to audio. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's fine then.
I thought it was some other person coming in because yours is perfect.
Oh, all right. No, I think the other person who's coming in is trying to connect to audio. So now this is H4. This is H4, and then this low gave us this high, didn't break this structure. And then this high gave us the equal the equal low with the previous low. So now we do not have any break of market structure here. So what does this mean now? What does this then mean? Now we have to go to the full candle of that order block, which is on our left here. That's where I'm going. We only have 10 minutes to go now. Look again, this thing is not going there. It's a problem. So now this is what we are having then on H4. So what does it mean? Since we have this equal low here, we know what equal low and equal high means, right? So now by this only, you can already predict what's gonna happen, right?
Yes, sir.
We have an equal low here. So
that's the equal low I was asking after, sir.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. So now this is how it is. So now we'll have to take the move from this low to this high here. So in between this range is where we need to find our entry. But on H1 still we can't find anything. So now let's go to M15. This is the low, this is the high. So now if things are like this, and then we mark our high, and then we'll mark our low. Let's use different colors, black ones. Yeah. We'll use a black color. Now this is the high, and this is the low. Yeah. So yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. So now we need anything that's gonna happen in between this low and this high here. All right. And then in the meantime, we had this low before this range. We had this low and then we had this high here. Let's use the very same 10 lines.
So if it had broken that high where you are right now, then it would have been a change of character.
Exactly. And then it will have changed the character in a bullish direction. So we'll expect to buy from there.
All right.
So now we take from this low here, right? We take from this low. Okay, my phone is ringing, but I will attend to this presently. From this low, here we have a low, then we have a high. Then anything in between here will show us where the liquidity is, and then it will give us an order block for either buy or sell. If it broke bullish, obviously we're gonna have a bullish order block. If it broke bearish, you're gonna have an order block for a sell, which is a bearish order block. Now let's see, it broke into this direction, the bearish direction. So what is that now? So now in between here, we do not have anything to, okay. Remember the internal structure, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you see the trick that it has been used here. Okay. Look at this candle here. The close of this bearish candle here, and the open of this bullish, and the open of this bullish candle here. And you see where they are. And look look where I put my break of market structure. Do you notice anything here? Okay, please hold. Please hold. Exit. There. Japo, bona ke e tlo fonela ne. Yeah, are ke 120 ke tlo fonela. Sure. Sharp. Okay, I'm back. I'm back now. So this take here we'll discuss it later after this Zoom. So now the bearish order block, since it broke in a bearish direction, was this candle here, this high. Yeah. There's a class that we did about the candle. I don't know if you remember that. Do you still remember that?
No, the lines were not clear, so it was like you're scrubbing something.
Oh, okay, sorry. I'm saying there's a class that we did about the stop hand some days
back. You stop with the wicks.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
Do you see what happened?
With the wicks, it's a stop hunt.
Do you see what happened with this week? Yeah. And put it exactly where it should be. Yeah. Because this is the week and the candle started here. And then they pushed to break this structure here. Right. So now this week was a point of interest after this break of market structure. Hence we have this. See where the retest was.
Yes, sir.
not the body, but the wick. So on our next Zoom, I think we need to do the revision about such things. I think somehow it's getting lost, you know. So now I can.
There are so many weeks that is a little choked up.
Yeah, so many, but I chose one. So you might ask yourself why that one specifically. So yeah, we will discuss that after this Zoom. And then in our next Zoom again, I think it will be next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, somewhere there. So now it's 14:28. Now it's 2 minutes to go. Let's come to what we're expecting. So now we have this high that broke this low. Then it gave us what? It gave us this new low here, right? So this low gave us this high here. It failed to take out the previous high, but also it did not take out what this previous low. So this is where we should leave our trend line. So now we expect to see NASDAQ trade below this or above this. But in the meantime, do we have multiple break of market structure to each direction? To one of the directions, I mean. To the bearish side, which one, how many break of market structures are we having? We have one. And then we have this fail of market structure. Then we have two. And then what did I say about two break of market structures?
Confirmation for direction.
So now this shows us that NASDAQ will start to sell very soon. And now at this break of, at the break of this market structure here, let's see that order block. This is the candle here.
Can somebody say that this market here is respecting this other block in the middle there?
This is the order block. This was the first test, and then now we are at the retest. Now it is being violated. Let's wait and see.
The market is moving really fast.
It's 2:30. It's 2:30 on the first Friday. So yeah.
So this other block in the middle, can we say that the whole of this move this way is still respecting this other block in the middle here?
This one?
No, far in the middle. Far away from where the market came and did not break through. On your left.
On my left, you mean here?
No, far on your left, in the middle. No, not there, not anywhere here. No, go across. This middle loan section like that.
To my left or to my right?
Still to your left, go further, far.
Oh, you mean this one here?
No. Continue going to your left. Keep moving to your, in the middle here.
You mean
yes,
here?
There. Yes, sir.
This one here?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. The other block there.
What do we have here?
I like to see that it's not been broken for the whole time. The other mop is in the bathroom. Thank you.
What do we have here before we focus on this one here?
Mitigation.
Here. From
mitigation.
From this wick to this candle here.
Yeah, I'd like this, like the one I showed you now, that is being respected like a breaker block.
Okay, I will re-explain this after this. Let's come back to this and take our trade here. Remember what I said? I said NASDAQ will sell
Yes, sir.
During the results, 2:30. So now let's wait and see. On M5, what do we have? We have a week still. And on M1, we don't even have to call or to consider that. Let's not confuse ourselves. Let's wait and see here what's happening on M15. Because I want us to take this trade. But still, remember the risk of taking a trade in between this range. This is the highest point. This is the lowest point here. So this is the most recent high, and then this is the most recent low. However, we have 1, 2 break of market structures in a bearish direction. So now, since we have this candle that's dancing here on M15, what does it give us on M5? On M5, this is what we have. So what can we take quickly here? We had the failure of market structure here, but now it has been violated by this week. So this failure of market structure is null and void now. So now we wait. Remember H4, or on H4 we have an equal low. I remember that.
Yeah.
On H4 we have an equal low. So that can only mean one thing and one thing only. So now still we need to do this. We use all the conferences that we can get to take a trade here. Let me add this thing here. Let's go back to where the order block was respected. It's up here on M15. So now it's 5 minutes already gone. We don't have a clear direction yet. And then if ever you have that app of CNBC, you should see the results there. Of
Right now.
Yeah, of NASDAQ. Okay, let me check. Okay, are you anywhere next to your
TV?
Your TV there?
My TV, yes, sir.
Tune to channel 410.
I don't know. I will not know.
You will what?
I will not know, sir.
You will now, or you don't know? I can't hear that.
I will not know. I will not know.
No, just there's something I want to show you there.
I will not know. I'm not even sure I have that channel.
No, this channel is on every package, from access to the most expensive one.
Let me come already.
Yeah, 410.
410.
Yeah. So the results were positive there. I'm watching now. It says private sector payrolls up with 406,000 in April. Hence, you see this bullish push here. So the percentage gained is plus 31.95 of NASDAQ as it stands now.
I tried yesterday, but it was not perfect. Yeah. You guys didn't come to work the whole week, so I was struggling. Okay.
Are you there?
I'm zapping. I'm trying to go to the 410. Yeah, I don't think I have it. The way we have this DSTV, but the one that we are really using, it's a little complex.
You don't have 410?
It will not be on 410, it will be somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
Because what we have is like a package that shows us channels from all over the world, every channel. So to identify that one now will be hectic for me.
Just, okay, now the Zoom is doing the same thing that it always does. So you'll have to join again after this, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we need to take this trade here live so that we will see how far it will take us. So let's wait for the usual things to happen. And then we'll take it from there.